What's up, guys? Welcome back to Scott's Honest Review. So today we are reviewing the ASUS monitor. This is the 4K monitor, so we're going to be able to handle 4K. I'll put some more details in the video as we continue, but let's get unboxing right away. Alright, right away we see we got a base for it, just a circle base, some manuals, HDMI cable, and a display cable. So they provide two of them, well, one of each. Let's see. Looks like we got the power supply for it. Oh, here it is. Alright, we're gonna lay it flat for right now. We're gonna check the box, make sure nothing else is inside. So I'm getting really excited. I cannot wait. This is 28 inch. We're gonna replace our other one. Look at that. She is a beauty, that's for sure. So, couple things as I've added it on screen. It's got 1ms trace free Ultra HD 4K. Game like a pro with Game Plus, AMD FreeSync, 5-way navigation, something certified, low blue light, and flicker free. So, man, I'm excited. So guys, you got the power button on the back here. This is something I don't like about monitors and why they all seem to do this, or at least most. They put all the cables underneath here. I like them when it's on the sides, but to plug all the ports, you got two HDMI ports and one display port and a headphone jack. And then you got your power jack as well. So we're gonna go ahead and install this and see how it compares to our monitor now. Alright, so we clean the monitor off, and so when you stand up and look at the monitor, you would almost think that this is all dirt. That's actually in the monitor, all that you see. However, before you guys change your mind about it, when you actually get down to eye level, as you can see, which I just cleaned it off, you don't see that. So the best way to tell if a monitor is good or not is to sit at eye level after you cleaned it off. Now I'm looking around and I don't see any areas where it's coming through, so that's a plus. So overall, I'm very happy with this. Works great. So just a quick update, while I'm editing this video, I've had this for over a week now and I love it. It's been working great, so I'm impressed with it, still very happy with it. I think you guys will be too.